trails where the wind cut sharp and the weak boys bail. I felt the dirt, I've tasted steel, but I ain't never bowed and I never will. Got a backbone carved out of red clay pride, and a fire that don't quit when it's tested or tried. You can bet your last dime and your name on a stone, this fighting heart don't break, it owns. I was built for this, for the blood and sweat, for the long shot odds and the no-name bet, for the nights that burn and the mornings rough, for the pain that pounds but ain't ever enough. Yeah, I'm cut from the grit, from the hammer and hiss. You can't stop what was born for the risk. I'm not just standing, I exist, 'cause I was built for this. Don't need luck when the storm rolls in. I ride that thunder like it's born within. Been down to nothing, still I rose, with nothing but truth in my callous soul. Ain't no map for the path I ride, just a six-gear faith and a flame inside. You can count me out, but you'll count wrong. I don't crack, I just get strong. I was built for this, for the back road wars, for the locked door scars and the slamming floors, for the loss that stings and the pride that climbs, for the line you draw and the one I cross every time. Yeah, I'm stormproof, fire-tested, tight fist. You can't shake what was made like this. I don't flinch, I persist, 'cause I was built for this. Show the way, let the world try knocking me down. I get up and shake the ground. I was built for this, for the burning blast, for the mile-long run and the shadowed past, for the tears to fight, the faith I keep, for the dream too wild and the hill too steep. Yeah, I'm bones and dust, but I still resist. I ain't breaking, I insist. I was born for the hit. Hell yeah, I was built for this. Keep your doubt, keep your fear, I'll keep walking. I was built for this. Black clouds rolling over that cornfield sky. Mama's Bible on the dash, but I ain't asking why. That trailer's cold and full of ghosts, whiskey breath, slammed doors, and broken hopes. Tonight I ain't running, I'm taking the wheel, with the thunder at my back and vengeance at my heels. I'm done with the silence, done with the shame. Let the winds howl louder, let them curse my name. Gonna raise the dust, tear down the pain, let the whole damn county feel my flame. Let the sirens wail, let the sky turn black. Ain't no saving what I ain't taking back. I'm fire and grit, a storm on the rise, with hell in my heart and heat in my eyes. I won't run, no, I'll make them pay. Gonna raise the dust and blow it all away. That woman had a temper and a grip like chains, left scars on the wall and blood in the rain. But this time I ain't breaking, I'm breaking free from the sin she spewed out and the fear in me. Got lightning veins and steel in my spine. The last straw's burning, tonight's the line. Let the past come begging, let the sky collapse. I'll be the echo screaming through the aftermath. Gonna raise the dust, tear down the pain, let the whole damn county feel my flame. Let the sirens wail, let the sky turn black. Ain't no saving what I ain't taking back. I'm fire and grit, a storm on the rise, with hell in my heart and heat in my eyes. I won't run, no, I make 'em and blow it all away. Yeah, I came from the mud, got bruises to prove it. Dirt on my boots, in the past I ain't losing. Swamp in the lungs, pain in my chest, but I rose from the ash like a bulletproof vest. No peace treaty, I'm writing my name in smoke on the sky and gasoline rain. Let it burn, let it turn, let the whole world see what happens when you cage a man like me. Gonna raise the dust, tear down the pain, let the whole damn county feel my flame. Let the sirens wail, let the sky turn black. Ain't no saving what I ain't taking back. I'm fire and grit, a storm on the rise, with hell in my heart and heat in my eyes. This is war and I won't obey. Gonna raise the dust and blow it all away. Digital cowboy don't kneel, he reigns. On a dirt road bend, tail lights gone where the pavement ends. Shine in the back, pedal through the floor, radio dead, can't risk no more. Moonlight cuts through the southern pines, no law ahead, just crooked lines. Every mile's a roll of the dice, heartbeats pound like engine strikes. No turning back when the night's in your lungs, every outlaw's tale gets sung. It's a midnight run through the wild and the dark. Steel hearts racing like a southern spark. No lights, no names, no mercy, no fun. Just a wheel, a road, and a midnight run. Gravel kicks fire from the wheels behind, breath held tight on a razor line. Sheriff's lights flash like a ghost in the trees, wind in my face, burning lungs on the breeze. Every curve's a promise or a grave, either you ride or you misbehave. The rear view shows what I left undone, a trail of smoke and a midnight run. No turning back when the night's in your lungs, every outlaw's tale gets sung. It's a midnight run through the wild and the dark. Steel hearts racing like a southern spark. No lights, no names, no mercy, no fun. Just a wheel, a road, and a midnight run. It's a midnight run through the wild and the dark. Steel hearts racing like a southern spark. No lights, no names, no mercy, no fun. Just a wheel, a road, and a midnight run.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.